everyone. So today we will be learning a new thing called loops. So in today's lecture we are going to learn about four loops. So for that, let's first of all open Python. So if you still don't have Python, just go to Google and type in Python installation. Click enter, then open the first link and you can download it from here. So now let's go back to the Python and now let's save it. Let's start Python. Now save it. So for that, like today we are going to make something by using loops. So for that, first of all, let's use for loop. So you guys know what is for loop. So for loops is a loop that continues one statement a fixed number of times. So let's put there a. So we are not going, so we did not make a variable. So first let's make a variable a. Sorry, a equal to int input. You have to ask the user for a number. Int. Okay. And a plus 1, because if you only put there a, I'll show you. So print a, I'll show you after. So print I means it will print this I, which is like it is going to print 0, 1, like the number we enter is going to print that, because we put here a. So it is going to just repeat the statement these much times, and it is going to print every time it is repeating. So now if you run the code, I entered 10 and it only came till 9 because it also counted 0. So we also want it to be we also want that to be at correct to 10. So let's put here a plus 1. So now if you run the code once more, oops, sorry. Let's run it again. Yeah, I'll put that 10 again. Then it printed till 10. So this was a simple thing. So let's make it a bit more specific by using functions. So let's make a function, or make it called a function called loops. Yeah. Now let's indent it. Sorry. Okay. Now let's put the same thing right here. Now let's call the function. Let's call the function loops. So the people who did not see my old video, I'm explaining for them. Functions are something that we can break our code to a simple code by just writing a function. So think that something is repeating so many times, but that could not be fixed by just one for loop. So for that we are using a function and calling the function how many times you want. think that you made a function called a, and you want that to be repeated so many times. Like after making one square, you want the function to be called. Then we can call, we have to do something, so we can call the function for that. Then again, after another statement, we can again use it. We can call the function as many times as we want, but we can, and also we can define how much functions you want. That many functions you can define in your whole one program, but that name should be a bit different. So now let's get starting. So now let's run the code. It's going to be the same. If I still enter 10, it's still going to print the not 10 table, but like from 0 to 10. If I enter any other digit I want, like 4, it is going to print till 4. So I guess this was the most simple and a code with a little code. So now let's introduce while loops in our next lecture. Bye.